morning. Here I am in Cyprus. What a joy to be here after almost 40 years later. The country has changed. Thanks to the European Union, it is changed. There's a bus station here. Good. Used to be places like this when I first came. Smashed up. After joining the EU, imagine when I came last year. We were third world. Uncle Paul, what's going on here? Another B&B. Uncle Paul, where are you sending me? To another B&B. There's quite a lot of B&Bs. You haven't turned up. Look at these. And just don't enter to this B&B. And what about this one? What about these? Wow. What a joy. Look at this, Uncle. Industrial section. Look at all this. What a joy. What's going on here in Cyprus? Even a supermarket has been abandoned. Huh? That's the industrial. Wow. What's happening, folks? Wow. Sharon, what are you doing? Oh man, walking in this heat. Those mountains are Turkish-occupied Cyprus. So nice. Oh. All these buildings. What a mix of buildings. On here. Some sort of running or walking track. Absolute crazy.